Well, Rick's had a really busy day looking for outboards for us, and he has come home and said, I'm going to cook dinner tonight. Came out, and guess what? He's done a deconstructed hamburger. I think the reality show, he's missed the boat.
So we've got sweet mustard, pickle, lettuce, tomato, burger, cheese, egg, bacon. There's onion under there, like that one, onion under there, and dippy, and fries.
And what's... Oh yeah, bacon. Oh
Fried up bacon. So there you go. I am enjoying a Grant's Scotch whiskey.
Yep.
And
if we'd had any more Grants, it might have been a burnt deconstruction. Yeah.
Good.
It goes on YouTube.
What's your YouTube channel?
A Sailing Salacia Star.
Sailing? No, I'm missing it though. No, I don't.
In about 3 weeks, you'll see yourself on here.
3 weeks?
Yeah.
So sing. Ladder. So we sing like this, bro. Yo có YouTube yo có bucket. Quello là pompo dentro, voi sapete cosa che tanto. Pope. See you in a bit in a jet.
Thank you.
oh, a half a tick.
What about this?
We're all on the marina, rushing, because the sloth's coming down from the tree. It's a weekly event that they come down. So we're all trying to madly capture some film of the sloth. Let's hope it works. Did you get your camera?
He's not down yet.
Ah, righto. He's not down yet. There's everyone hanging around waiting for Mr. Sloth to come down.
We're the sloth paparazzi. Ooh, you should do a pose that's like
The sloth
did
pose.
it better.
Yeah, give us a sloth pose. So powerful. So where's the poop?
It's there. It looks like black beans.
Oh yeah, rabbit poop.
Yeah.
Nothing's private, you poor old sloth.
Hopefully you can hear this. This is the howler monkeys. Listen quietly. The howler monkeys are said to be so lazy that they don't want to fight each other. They howl like that to tell who's in what tree for the day, and this is what they do. It's about 4:30, 5 a.m. in the morning, and this is the noise they make.
That's our cabin there, and that black thing is a window. Last night at about 5:30 in the morning, I saw a big flash of light, and then I heard sizzle, 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 and I'm thinking, oh, electrical. And it was really loud and really bright, and I thought maybe our electrical line had chafed through, but it wasn't actually ours. It was this one right here that was guilty. Have a captain cook at the results. This actually caught fire. We got a fire extinguisher out to put it out, but didn't need to. We isolated the power and then we're able to get the plug out. So that was burnt for a good 2 or 3 minutes. Things happen, hey. Things happen everywhere. You just never know.
Where are we going?
Paramaribo.
And what are we going to do in
Big city.
We're gonna top off our internet, get some coffee,
Didn't turn it off though.
Okay.
visit uncharted stores.
Yeah, we're going to go and buy some pillows to get rid of our mouldy pillows.
Ooh, no
Woo,
more moldy
woo.
pillows.
Upgrade.
Hey, upgrade. That's civilization when you don't have to sleep on a moldy pillow.
Oh, I know. Okay, these guys in the back are off Victoria from
Alaska.
Alaska. And introduce yourself.
I'm Emma.
I'm Phil, and I'm not an alcoholic.
Oh, and
You're on gate duty.
these guys are a quieter version of
Sunday.
of Sailing Sunday.
You're looking at me anyway.
And there's our automatic gate opener. Oh.
Well, this is the central market in Paramaribo. It's interesting, but
It is. It's big.
at least we don't have to go through those fish market to get out of here.
Ugh, that helped, didn't it?
That wasn't too flash, I tell you.
19.
Wow, really big in here. She must be really humming when she does. Look how they do up the buses. They're all decorative, done up with stickers. Good, eh? Weatherboard, verandas, absolutely magnificent. Do you like some of them?
Here comes Ricky.
On our road trip you might notice that we drive on the same side as Australia, which is makes it a lot easier for me to drive anyway. But this is a major arterial road, and you come across these signs here which are called drempels. So they're actually speed humps, and they're on all major arterial roads where there is a crossing or a church or a school, and you have to slow down from whatever the highway speed is to get over the drempels. So whilst it's frustrating for a driver, it's actually a very good way of slowing the traffic all the way down. So just in this short space of time we've already done 2 drempels, and here's another 2 drempels coming up. And this one's for the guys that work in that oil facility there to cross the road. So dremple after dremple after dremple, up and down dremple. And another dremple. And another dremple. So this is where our external hard drive came to its final resting place. Suritech The guy here is recognised as one of the best in Suriname, and he spent 80% of his workday trying to get the data back, but in the end just couldn't. So our external hard drive is now kaput.
Oh dear, that's the end of the terabyte.
Unfortunately, RIP. So you don't have to work anymore, Mr. Terabyte Drive.
It's in a little plastic bag with an absorbent thing to take the moisture out, going back to Australia eventually to James. Thanks, James. You'll try and get it back for us.
Love the architecture. Weatherboard, verandas, absolutely magnificent.
Drum roll. Oh, I think ladies first.
Okay, well, thank you to all the Patreons that signed up. Here's the draw for the commemorative crossing jumper sweatshirt. So we will post these to you from the US Virgin Islands when we arrive in about a week's time. We're leaving Suriname tomorrow morning. Okay, so I've downloaded a random name picker that they said is excellent for teachers in a classroom. So we'll start with the ladies
Sing, drum roll.
draw. Choose name.
Choose name. Oh, the lucky winner is Lindsay. Lindsay's Lachlan's wife, who was our very first patron. So congratulations.
Congratulations, guys.
One's coming your way.
Atlantic Crossing Men's.
Atlantic Crossing Men's. Do I just hit the man?
Yeah.
Men's.
And then choose names.
Choose names.
And then down the bottom, you choose.
Choose all of the names, and you're going to be a pretty pair.
So, congrats, Lachlan and Lindsay. Matching pair.
Matching pair.
That's really weird, and it's a random name generator.
Yep,
Oh, it's gone.
If you have any qualms about this, you just go to whoever it is. Anyway, there'll be other draws down throughout the years for you, but good luck for next time. Something's up. Meanwhile,
We'll try and do something from the USA.
hey.
Apple pie. There you go. Look after them.